In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a PIA ticket online for the year 2025. Let's begin by navigating to airpass.com, a user-friendly platform that simplifies the process of booking airline tickets. Once you're on their homepage, look for the flight option. It's typically featured prominently on the site, making it easy to locate. Clicking on it will open up the flight booking section, where the real journey to securing your ticket begins. Next, you'll need to enter your destination. This is where you're planning to fly to, so make sure you type in the correct city or airport. The destination field is quite intuitive, often showing a list of suggestions as you type, which can help you quickly find the exact location you're heading to. If you're not sure about the airport code, typing the city name should suffice. Once that's done, it's time to enter your travel dates in the space provided. Travel dates are crucial as they determine the availability and pricing of your flights. Picking the correct departure and return dates will also impact your schedule, so ensure that you've double-checked your calendar before finalizing these details. After you've confirmed your dates and are happy with your choices, the next step is to click on the search button. This is where the exciting part happens. AirPass will then begin scanning all available flights based on your criteria, presenting you with a comprehensive list of options. You'll see a variety of flights, each with different airlines, times, and prices. At this point, make use of the filter and sort features that AirPass provides. You can sort flights based on price, duration, or departure time, among other options, helping you tailor the search results to match your preferences and budget. When you've narrowed down your options and found a flight that suits your needs, go ahead and select it. Careful selection is essential as you confirm which flight meets your expectations in terms of timing, comfort, and cost. With your flight selected, you'll need to click on the checkout button to proceed. AirPass will prompt you to enter passenger details. This information should match the travel documents exactly, so double check everything to avoid issues during check-in. Baggage details are next. If you have specific baggage requirements such as extra weight or dimensions, now is the time to ensure these are recorded accurately. Finally, with everything in place, click on Continue to Payment. AirPass will guide you through the payment process, helping you secure your booking with ease. Congratulations, you've successfully booked your PIA ticket online for 2025, making your travel plans one step closer to reality.